Hi, good day everyone. Today I want to sharing this Autogate remote and do a demo. I put this remote inside the tumbler, fill of water. After I shake it, then see whether still can use or not. Now this remote control is functioning. Inside the battery you can see the light. Even though I can test it, the frequency 433. This is working. So I drop it inside the water, close the cover, shake it. Okay. I had to take it out. It is a remote. Let me try. Still working. You can see? Still working. All the button. I test one by one, all the button. Still working. 4 channel, 4 buttons also. That's right, this is can be seen as a waterproof. Why he designed for the waterproof? Because sometimes, the remote put inside the pocket. Normally it happen to gentlemen. Put inside the pocket. He forget to take out. Then he go and wash his clothes. After wash, the remote control still can be used. That's why this one I need to prove, yes, our remote is, even you drop inside the water, no problem at all. So this is what I want to share. Thank you. Bye-bye.